Alright, welcome back to White House Farm, where we're making some dehydrated pear chips, just like we did with our apple chips. And we got our peeler out, and we already got a bunch of other stuff going. I'm just going to zip right into them. There we go. Alright, just like our pears, we're going to go ahead and put lemon juice in. And add some water. And we can put our pears in there. Alright, and since we're doing the chips, we gotta make sure that we go ahead and cut these in half. Gotta pull this one back out. Cut that one too. There we go. Now we put them back in. Alright, so let's go ahead and start getting our pieces on to be dehydrated. Alright, one tray done. Get that loaded in there. And we'll start filling up all the other ones. And we're going to want to set this at 6 hours at 140. There we go. And we'll keep adding into it. Alright, last one. Alright, we'll check back in 5.5 hours. So they are all done. And they did shrink up pretty good. But let's go ahead and we'll bag up each tray here in their own bag. Alright, so let's see how much they weigh. Zero that out. Alright, so about 1 ounce. And even though these shrunk up a lot smaller than the apple slices, there's more weight to them. Put that in there. All right. There we go, all vacuum sealed and ready to go. There we go, another ounce. Tommy, don't worry, we're not making dehydrated kitten. Hey Jess, come here. These are pears, dehydrated pears. See, you grab the bunch. Here, Major, come here. What do you think? Oh,
these ones are good.
Aren't they good?
Yeah.
Like candy, right, Major?
Those are good.
All right. So 1 ounce minus a couple. Jamie, come here.
I want another one.
These are pears. Jesse keeps eating them. What do you think? Those are from our pear trees.
Yeah. They're like sour, but...
Yeah. So, you got some more. Good, right?
Yeah, Sour.
I want some for school now. Do you peel them just like with this also?
Yeah. Alright, so we're all set. Very quick, simple, and easy dehydrated pears. And these are good to go now. So great for camping, hiking, kids take to school, snacks. We can also rehydrate these, make some other stuff, make some cakes, make, you name it, anything to do with pears. We have them here and they're all set. So make sure to check out all of our pear and apple videos and everything else to do with the farm. And once again, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo. Bye, guys.